Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from His Scribe, and I am here today with another haul, and this is from Dollar Tree and Walmart and Scrapbookcom. So, thank you guys for stopping by to take the time to see what I got, and hope you're having a wonderful, awesome day. Feel free to like and subscribe and drop by anytime you like. It's a free channel, no fees associated. Anyway, so I picked this up from the Dollar Tree. I thought it was cute. This is Glam Squad. Didn't need it, but it was cute, right? So, of course, little zipper pouch. And this is like a vinyl and then a cloth on the inside. So you can wipe that clean. Picked up some more of the little patty squares, because this you can do enamel dots. You can do a lot of things up here that you don't want to stick. And you can use these sheets of paper in your craft room just like you use your parchment paper. And I picked up some rub-ons. So this one is Je t'aime. It's the French ones, XOXO, Mon Amour. And I won't try to fake like I can read French because I did not study it. But handled with care, sincerely. Postcard. So I always wanted to. I think it's such a romantic language. My aunt is fluent in French. She actually is rated a 4 for the government in it, because she lived in so many different countries in Africa. She's on a level 4, so in 5 is being a native. She used to just mix that language as a kid growing up. Listening to her speaking French, it was just like, oh, such a romantic language for those of you who speak French compared to other languages. It just sounds so sweet. Even when she was fussing somebody out, it sounded so good. Anyway, this awesome cute rub-ons. I didn't see these before, but these were some different rub-ons. These pumpkins, and then these leaves, and says fall and hollow autumn. So I got 2 sets of each one of those. I just like the colors. I just thought they were different and nice, and I didn't see them last week. And then I did pick up some more of these stencils. I may have some of these, but they look different, maybe because it was sticking out, and I hadn't seen any orange stickers in a while. I mean, orange templates in a while, so maybe. But this one was suspect that I may have it. Now they go on my pile of stuff to give away. Happy birthday, best wish, celebrate, surprise, funny, party, and gifts. And this one too. Any piece is a personal pizza if you believe in yourself. I'm not sure about that one. Shine bright. Again, I couldn't remember. True love forever, kiss be mine, love, XOXO, I love you, and Valentine. And be a rainbow in someone else's cloud. That one I don't think I have, but I don't know. But it was one of each, and I was like, if I leave it, I come back, then I can be there. And then I got the rub-ons with the numbers on it, just because they're a different variety of sizes and fonts, which I thought was pretty cool. And then the gold alphas rub-ons as well. And it doesn't say how many are in here, but it looks like it's at least 2 of every single letter. Some of them have 4. And then I got this little sticker set, and it's the alphabet sticker set, but I thought this might be cool to challenge myself to do either some ATCs or iCads, probably iCads. But each one of the alphabet has something on it. Say like A is for amazing and adorable, B is for best and beautiful, D is for daring, darling, and determined. S is for sweet and sensitive. Y is for you and youthful. So it has something for every one of them. Z, they don't have one Z. Zany and Zoo. But anyway, so it has different stuff on it. I thought this might be a neat personal challenge to do like 30 days of iCads, and maybe try to use each one of these at least once, you know, during the time. So who knows if I ever get around to it, but that was my thought when I got it. And then I had to go to Walmart, and I just picked up, they have a whole little line. I've been seeing this for, I guess, a couple of months, but I don't know, I've seen them, but today I ended up buying something. But they have had this line out. There's quite a few different items. It's called Hello Hobby at Walmart if you hadn't seen it in the craft section. But they've got all kinds of stuff. I mean, cards, tags, calligraphy pens, fine markers, fine line markers. They got stickers. They have paper, resin. It has a whole bunch of different series. Stamping press. Oh, dies. They have a whole series. So FYI, if you haven't been in your Walmart in a while, go down to like where the Cricut stuff will be at, and you should see this brand, Hello Hobby, and you may find dies and stamps and stickers and stuff, reasonably priced. They have boxes, all kinds of stuff. So I just got those little stickers that says thank you. I did pick up two packs of the bags, but one of them got some dirt on it, so I'm going to take that bag because it's dirty. And I'm like, oh, some of the bodies and put it back in there. But they had these in the 12 pack, so I got those. And then I already opened this up, but these were just some zipper bags, 4x5, 4x6, excuse me. And then, so that was it for Walmart. But again, check that out at your own Walmart section because, you know, each Walmart I'm sure has a little bit different stuff, but quite a few in the decent prices. But the dies was like, I think I want to say $13.47 for maybe like 9 dies. They were word dies and stuff. But just FYI, you might find something you like. So last but not least, this is my little haul from Scrapbookcom. You know how you put your little notifications up there. Trying to be good not to get everything that I have on notification, but just a couple things that I wanted. This was a freebie. Of course, you know they always give you a freebie, and this one says hello Charlie, and then this says scrapbook and cards today. And of course, you know they always give you free magazines when you place an order. If you go up there and check it out, if you look for the freebies on the side and click them and put them in your cart, as long as you meet the requirements, usually it's not even a set amount that you have to spend to get these. I love it because there's always great inspiration in here. Things that, oh, I hadn't thought about that. Oh, I use that die this way and make a card that looks like that. So, and again, you use the materials that you have, but it can spin off and tell you about something different like this. Paper glitz and different stuff, the different colors, whatever, sparkle and shine. So, you know, different products and different things that you can do are in here. So, and the freebies, cut files, and things like this. So that's pretty cool. You go on Pinterest, and they show you what the stuff are, some examples, free printables that you can print out, and then they have cut files and extras, like the sketches and things like that. So, yeah, for free. Okay, you know these magazines will cost you 20 bucks. So, can't beat that. But what I ended up wanting was the new LDRS sentiment strips and the new sentiment stack number 2 die. And so I got that because that was just came out. And then the new 2 sentiment strips, one is called Happy Me, the other one is Friends. And so the Happy Me says, you shouldn't have, but I'm glad you did. You make me happy. Have a happy day. You make me smile. Happy me, happy you, happy us. I'm doing a little happy dance. I'm so happy that you're my person. Wishing you blue skies and sunshine. Sending you happy thoughts. You're the best. There is no one else who makes me this happy. So again, you're going to be happy after you get all those. And then the next one is Friends. A stack, and it says, friends don't let you do stupid things alone. You're flipping amazeballs. Your face makes me smile. I never use that word, amazeballs. Who says that? I never heard anybody ever say that, to be honest. You're seriously way too cool. Hey, good looking. What you got cooking? That's an old saying. I didn't know people even say that anymore. You're my sidekick for life. You are not normal, and I love it. I love you even when you are hangry. Crafty friends are the best friends. Hang in there, friend. All we've shared has meant so much to me. So those were the 2 newest ones that just came in, and they sent me the alert. So I went on and ordered them, and I got them. And this is going to go probably in a giveaway. I'm about to do a drawing or something. But anyway, so that is it for my haul. And I do appreciate you guys stopping by. Thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care, guys.